Good morning, South Texas. Our potential tropical cyclone is no more. We have seen that system really stretched apart, just dealing with some scattered showers and storms right along the coast. So not the best day to head out on the water today, at least through the morning. I'll show you when conditions start to clear up. But here's what happened to our system. This blue color you're indicating is wind shear, which means the winds are turning at different directions throughout the atmosphere, and also the speed is stronger. And what that does essentially is it pulled that system apart right along our coastline as it was trying to enter the land as it made landfall as well. So those two things combined, not good for tropical systems. So here's the deal. Not much in the way of this potential tropical cyclone anymore. The National Hurricane Center is no longer issuing advisories for this system. But when we take a look at our satellite imagery, there is still some strong convection, especially south of Brownsville, that will continue to move to the north. Looking out into the Atlantic, into the basin, we do have another system that is moving off the coast of Africa now. There's a 20% chance of development over the next 5 days. There's a little bit of Saharan dust out there, but overall much less than we saw earlier in the month of August. So it does appear the tropics are really beginning to wake up as we have those two systems really make an impact on our weather here in the South Texas. This area of low pressure, while it's been stretched apart and weakened, it still is bringing a lot of moisture to our region. And you can see that by the dark green colors here. This moisture is being brought to the north, and it's going to interact with the storm system moving across North Texas, and that's going to provide moisture across the Lone Star State, much needed moisture to help with our drought conditions we've been dealing with. And so this moisture is going to be good for Texas. However, flooding will be possible not only today, but tomorrow and the next day from Dallas into Northeast Texas and even through the Hill Country. So if you have any plans to be traveling through Austin or the Hill Country, especially Monday and Tuesday, you are going to want to pay attention to flooding concerns in that region. And always remember to turn around, don't drown, don't drive around barricades. That moisture is brought back to South Texas by the time we look to Thursday and Friday. So for now, we're not tracking too much in the way of rain here. Higher rainfall amounts to our north and even the northern part of our watershed, the part that missed out, remember, with our last tropical system, that has a chance to get some rain as we look ahead to the beginning part of this week.